with A&M here. Today I'm going to show you all the stuff I've been selling on eBay in the last couple months. So that's what today's video is about. We're going to go to selling, and it's at my eBay selling overview. So this is our 90-day total, $2,736. This is how many we have active, and this is how many items I have sold. So I'm actually packaging some stuff today. And I already printed out all the shipping labels, but here are some of the few items I sold recently. We got a Hobby Hill Pictures light. It's like a lamp. We got a manual for a Toyota. We got a resin chessboard. My wife actually made this, so I'm glad that sold. Then we got some vintage manicure nail grooming set. This is a little Gone in 60 Seconds Mustang collectible. And a radiator, flush kit, a ceramic collectible plate and bowl. So really, and if we keep going, this is stuff that I've sold in the past. But I try to keep everything about $10 is my minimum, and I'll just keep scrolling so you guys can kind of see. I'm going kind of fast, but some stuff I did sell lower. Some stuff gets canceled, but overall, to list it and sell it and ship it and everything, we've made almost $3,000 in 90 days, so that's not bad for something that I got paid to take anyways. But yeah, so right now I got about 400 items listed, so it's kind of our next step is going to be how to store those things so it's easy, because that's one of the main things. Once an item sells, I got to be like, where is this? And so I'm going to show you some of the containers I have. Right now, I got just the right amount where I kind of memorize where all this stuff is packaged, but eventually we are going to have to get shelves or something, some kind of system to really be able to sell these things a lot better. But not so bad for stuff that I got paid to take. This is 99 cents, but I actually used to sell everything through these auctions. Now this is like an old codeine bottle. I just put that price up there. If I sell it for that, I will let you know, because that'll be awesome. But I couldn't find another one online, so some items, you might have one of a kind, or there's not very many made. But now I'm actually selling everything as buy it now, so I'll set my own price and sell it that way, and I found it's a lot easier and it's cheaper to promote those listings as well. You got to remember, eBay takes out like 10 to 15% of your total, so you're losing money off the bat. So $15 out of every $100 is going to go straight in their pocket, and then they charge you a listing fee, and you got to pay for shipping. So what I try to do is just charge a little bit extra on the shipping, and then that'll pretty much cover your 15%. $2 to $3. I mean, they ain't taking too much off of these ones, but this is just stuff that I found, so it's kind of hit or miss too. You don't even know what's going to sell or whatnot, but some stuff I've been surprised sells quick, and that's how you know you have a good item too, is if you're listing and a bunch of people message you right away, then you know that maybe I need to up this or something, which if you cancel an item, they charge you for that too. But for me, I get all this stuff, I get paid to take all this stuff, so it's not too bad. But if you're like going to garage sales or any of this other stuff, you got to definitely take everything into consideration. But that's why for me, $10, I got to print with the ink for the printer. I got to get packaging stuff. You got to get the tape. And for me, it's just better that way. But if I didn't have a business and I was just trying to make some extra money, you could definitely do that by going to Goodwill and some of these other stores. But that's pretty much everything here. I just wanted to show you guys my total overall, so you did not think I was lying when I said there is some money in selling stuff on eBay. It's just kind of, hit or miss on what sells and what doesn't. But yeah, there it is. $2,700, not too bad. And a couple items actually have gone into museums. So I thought that was really cool as well, because, I might be the last person to ever see this stuff. So if I don't sell it, then, it just goes in the trash. It's never going to be seen again. But let's get off of here and go and look at the actual items.
So as you can see, it's kind of chaotic right now. I'm just using my guest bedroom, but we have the computer to print off the labels, and I bought some packaging stuff. These little envelopes are my favorite here. You can buy these right on eBay, and they have a little bubble wrap inside, which helps protect stuff. But I just wanted to show you my setup isn't pristine or anything like that, but don't be discouraged. We are going to be working on getting everything more organized and stuff over time, but I'm going to tell you right now, I got like 400 items posted, and they're kind of just all over the place. So now I'm just going to get all these packaged up, and I'll show you how I have all my other items that I am not selling today. These are the ones that I've sold. It's right before Christmas time, so we have about 9 to 10 items going out today. But yeah. All right, guys, so this is my guest bedroom. And as you can see, I just got these Tupperware containers full of items. And there are some good stuff in here, like this Coach purse right here. It's actually got a tag on it for $358. So there's some money here to be made off this stuff. You just got to go through the process of selling it, and then what I really need to do is start learning how to organize this stuff better. So I'm probably gonna have some videos in the future of me having like shelves and really organizing this stuff. You know, I got a lot of DVDs and stuff that's similar, so I might try to group that stuff together to make it way easier to find these items, because once you list them and they sell, then it's like, what container is that in? But luckily right now I only have about 400 items, so it's not that hard for me to kind of remember what day I did the listings on. All right, so this is all the items packaged up, ready to go. We got the shipping labels on them. So all this together is probably about 200 bucks worth of stuff. So yeah, it's kind of cool because we're already making money off getting the jobs. Originally, I just started doing eBay, but as you could see from the computer, we did make about almost $3,000 already off of that. So definitely a good way to make extra income. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.